Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HSBC account. Follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video, first of all go to your browser and default search engine. Then search HSBC login. Click the first link that shows up or go to www.hsbc.co.uk. It will then take you to the official website of HSBC. Enter your username and then click continue. Then you should be able to access your HSBC account. To make login easier for next time, you can click on remember me, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. You can also register for new online banking from here, or if you have forgot your username, you can reset it from here. This much for today's video. Comment down your thoughts on this video, and if you guys find our video helpful, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you guys next time. Bye bye.